Hey, this is Doug and Nikki in the Outdoor Testing Studio, and I'm here with another cool product to talk to you about. It is the FitBeast hand grip strengthening set. It has 5 different exercises in it. So I'm going to unbox it, show you it, demonstrate it a little bit, and then I'm going to come back, give you a Doug score of 1 to 5, let you know how much I like or dislike this kit. I just bought it for myself because I wanted to work on my grip strength, and it looked like it had great reviews. It looked like it had a lot of options to it. So I thought, let's get it, open it up, share it with you folks at home, and let you know what I find. Let's see what we got. So this in the ad comes in this nice bag. I think that's a nice touch when things are packaged like that. So here are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exercises, and it comes with instructions for those exercises. Just so you could see a little bit what they look like. I think they're really pretty self-explanatory, but I will read them later, see what they are. So let's just go over them real quick. This is your conventional stress ball. You know, when you're annoyed at things at work and you just, play with it a little bit. It does work on your grip strength, and it also relieves some stress so that you can relax at work and get back to what you need to work on. This is an adjustable grip strength item here, and this one you can just turn this up the pressure, make it harder on yourself. This, when you turn this knob, it moves the angle of the spring out and makes it more difficult to do. I think that's super cool that it's adjustable for whatever level you're at that you need to work on. This I have personally never seen before. Says it fits all sizes. Goes on your fingers. I'm assuming the thumb goes there. And so this kind of like works the opposite. This is for your finger strength. So you put it on your fingers like that, then you go like this. Like karate stance. And you work on your finger strength that way. This is a ring that you use, work on your grip strength. Just crush it, crush it, crush it, crush it. And then finally another finger strengthening one. So this one, you could do the individual fingers or you could do your whole grip. So let's put it like that and go like this. This would be great if you were like working to become a guitarist or a piano player or something that you need to be dexterous but still strong with your fingers. I think that's so cool. That is a great idea. I have not seen something like that before. I am thrilled with this for what it is, for 5 different exercises. I think that's super cool. I have to give this a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score for doing everything I wanted it to. And I hope that was helpful. I hope it was interesting, and I will see you next time.